we have reached the village restaurant in Mangalore. This is supposed to be the #1 restaurant in Mangalore with 8,000 plus reviews on Google. So let us see what their food is and what local delicious food we can get here. It's a nice multi-cuisine menu, but we will stick to ordering some Mangalorean specialities. So first dish is here. These are the squids or the calamari. They have been deep fried nice and crispy. So let us taste them and see how they are. So that is a nice crispy calamari fried to perfection. Very fresh fish. That ghee roast looks absolutely delicious. That's the ghee roast. It has that spice from chili, nice red color. But the ghee mellows down that spice. So it's a very classic food from Mangalore. And having it in the main location helps you, because you will get version of this across some restaurants, but this is the original taste and it's really nice. Now this is the classic anjal fish or the surmai, which is the tawa fry. So we're going to see how is it, taste and tell you. Wow, that nice red color and soft cooked fresh fish. Certainly different from what we do otherwise. It has that crispiness from the tawa fry and a very soft fish, fresh fish. Worth the try. So these are the soft Neer dosas or the rice pancake, and they go really well with curries. And we got the Kundapur chicken curry. Looks great. It's a blend of chilies and coconut. That looks nice and tasty. Let us try. So it's delicious Kundapur chicken curry. It has a spice, has a coconut, and with luscious Neer dosas with it. What a classic combination. So this trip coming out to be a very good. This is going to be a very good food experience, and let's see what all we get on the way. Let's have one more bite. Friend, let us give Spice Dhamal rating to the Madhuvan's Village Restaurant, Mangalore. So ambience 10 on 10, food 9 on 10, authentic dishes, mildly spicy, anybody can enjoy. Service 8 on 10. Overall, a very good review and a must-try place if you are in Mangalore. So let us move on and see what all we find on this journey.